Welcome to tutorial where I will teach you how to set up hotkeys and redeems that stick to your VTuber model. Yay! Alright, let's begin. First, make sure that your mixitup is connected to Vtubestudio, like right here. Right now it says disconnect because my mixitup is connected, but for you it will say connect. Vtubestudio has this little setting under this wheel. Then you go into Vtubestudio plugins, you enable the plugin or you allow the plugin. You can see the port. You will have a pop-up that says this following plugin wants to access Vtubestudio API. Make sure to click yes, allow. Now we are halfway done. Now all you need is an asset. For me, I will try to set it up with this headpad asset. I will place it where I want it to be. For example, right here. I can test how it looks like when I move. Does it look okay? Do I like it? I do. Now you go into item scene for hotkeys. You create new item scene. I'm not gonna do it because I've already done it. You create a new one. You call it something that you can recognize. I will call mine headpad. Then you go into hotkey actions, hotkey, and you go into toggle item scene. From here, you have to find the one that we just created, headpad. This one, the old one, I throw away. Let's test it. It works. Now, how do we connect this to mixitup? Let me show you. Now, all you have to do is create new channel point redeem if you haven't done that, or if you have and you prepared, you can add command to an existing channel point redeem. For me, I already created one. To create a redeem, you have to click down below here on this action, open. You will see Vtubestudio. Click on it and click plus. Then it will ask you to find the right model and which hotkey to assign it to. Mine looks like this. This is going to be the exact same name as you put in your Vtubestudio on your redeem, and the model is the one that you want. Action, run the hotkey. Ta-da! That's it. That's all you have to do. Ta-da! Congratulations! You set up your first channel point redeem that sticks to your VTuber model. Let's go! Now you can assign the price for your channel point redeem and your community can redeem it in the chat. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy! Any other tutorials you would like to see? Please leave it in the comments. Subscribe!